Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Mary Mensa for those of you who are new to my channel and don't know who I am yet. I'm the author of the book Jar of Positivity, which is a 21-day devotional meant to help people be more positive in their everyday lives. And I'm also the soon-to-be author of the book Becoming a Full Osei. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. So the first thing is I want to learn how to show, not tell. And someone gave me the constructive criticism that I need to show more than I tell in my books. So my first book is a devotional, so that doesn't count. But for Becoming a Full Say, I did notice that I was telling more than I was showing. So I bought 2 books to actually help me with that. And yeah. So the second thing is I want to work on the self-edits to my book. I want to be able to finish the self-edits because I noticed that I was working on that and I keep getting distracted for some reason. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I need to work on better doing that. So that I want to finish. I want to have a goal of finishing by the end of this month, February. So let's see, fingers crossed I actually get to that goal because I'm really struggling with that. And I also want to work on several rounds of edits, which leads me to being better at doing my book and actually making my book be more successful if I do several rounds of edits. I want to be able to pay for that, so I need to save up money. So that's another one of my goals is to save up money to at least get developmental editing if I need it, if I feel like I need it, and copy and line editing and proofreading. So those are the things I want to be able to do. And I also want to have my book published but on the day of October 10th, I think, 2024, to be able to have it in time for World Mental Health Day. And the reason why I wanted to have it for World Mental Health Day is because my book is about a girl who has a mental illness but finds out when she's in her freshman year of college, and she decides that she's not going to make it define who she is as a person. But it's hard for her because in the African community, a lot of people stigmatize you for having a mental illness and they don't take it seriously, or they make you suppress your feelings because they think that you're a kid, you shouldn't have all these problems. But everybody has problems. So yeah, I wanted to have that to spread awareness about mental health issues. And yeah, in the Black community and the African community, if you can relate, just let me know. But yeah, that's what I wanted to do. And I also want to grow my platform. So right now, currently, I have like 358 subscribers, which is a lot to me because that means that 358 people decided to watch me and support my channel. But I want to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers. And I've been on YouTube since 2010, and you would think by now I would have had a lot more subscribers than before. But the problem is that I keep being consistent on YouTube, and then I stop being consistent, and I was posting random stuff that I know that wasn't fitting to my brand of who I am as a person. I mean, in 2020, I was being consistent and I was posting a lot of motivational stuff, which is who I am inside. But then I fell off because I kept getting discouraged by the numbers. And I also realized that I shouldn't look at the numbers to determine where I'm headed, because at the end of the day, as long as I try to do something that I'm passionate about, that's all that matters. And I also want to have more engagement on my social media platforms. I feel like my social media platforms, it's hard for me to get more engagement on them because a lot of people don't really watch my stuff, which is why I try to revamp my YouTube, and I also try to have a second Instagram page so that is dedicated to just author platform and my author journey and stuff like that. But it's hard to do that. But I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep on trying so I can be more confident in myself and also to get more like-minded people that also want to see me succeed. So yeah. And finally, I also want to finish my work in progress, which is Project SFO, and I'm not gonna spoil the name, but it's basically about a girl who recently had a breakup, and then she's going through a lot of issues, and she's also in the African community. So like saying that is like a lot of issues going on with that, being an African and also not having a boyfriend or a husband by a specific time is kind of like hard. So like, yeah, I wanted to finish that project by the end of this year. But I don't know, I feel like I'm keep on having like issues with concentration, and I feel like it's hard for me to like, once I get home from work, I always feel like I just want to relax and there's nothing else to do for myself. So I always like forget about the stuff that I have to do, which is related to my author platform and stuff. But I just want to be able to finish that project because I feel passionate about that, and I feel like my writing has gotten better in that story. And that story, I posted a little snippet of it on my personal Instagram, and people were like, "Wow, this is a nice book. I feel her pain," and I'm like, "Yeah." From experience and also like just learning, just observing other people was the inspiration of that book. But I want to make that project into a reality. So if I can buckle down and sit down and actually do it, that would be interesting and that would be fun for me. So yeah, that's the end of my video. If you're interested in reading my other book, Jar of Positivity, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. And thank you so much for sitting this long to watch this video. If you did sit this long to watch this video, put in a book emoji on the comments, in the comments. And also give me some constructive criticism on things that you think I should improve on if I want to get my goals done by the end of this year. And also give me some encouragement as well. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below whatever you want to comment. And also don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, bye.